Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to learn exercise 10.7 unit number 10 factorization, which is factorize the following. We have to factorize the algebraic expressions. To factorize the algebraic expressions, first we have to see that how many terms we have. So the first question is 2x5y square minus 6 3x cube y cube. First we have to see that how many terms we have. We have two terms. In this question we have two terms. Now to factorize these terms we have to take the common from both terms. So let's start. To take the common, first we have to see the coefficient. The coefficient of first term is 2 and the coefficient of second term is 6. So we take common. We have to take the common of 2 and 6. We have to take the common multiple. We have to take the common number which is multiplied 2 and 6 both. So for this we have to take the LCM of 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We have to take the LCM by division method. So which is the common multiple? 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. So 2 is a common multiple because 2 divides 2 and 6 both number. So we write 2 solution. First we write the question as it is, 2x5 y square minus 6 x cube y cube. Now we take the common. The common is 2. We take 2 as a common coefficient. Now we have x5 and in the second term we have x cube. x5 means x into x into x into x and into x. And in second term we have x cube means x into x into x. So we have to see that how many x are common. So 1x, 2x and 3x are common. So we take x cube as common. Now the second variable is y. In first term we have y square, which means that y into y, and in second term we have y cube, which means y into y into y. So how many y are common? So one y is common and second y is common. So how many y are common? Y is square. So we take y square as common. Now after taking the common we have to write the remaining components of the terms. So we write the remaining components in the term in the bracket. So in first term we take 2 as common and now we have x5. We take x cube as common. So how many x are left? X square, 2x are left. We take y square as common, so there is no y. Now minus 6. We take 2 as common, so the second factor of 6 is 3. So the remaining factor is 3. We write 3 because a factor of 6, we have two factor of 6, 2 and 3. So we take 2 as common, so which is left? 3 is left, so we write 3 over here. And now x cube, we take x cube as common, so there is no x is left, and y cube, and we take y square as common, so only one y is left, so we write y now. So these are the factors of 2x5 y square minus 6x cube y cube. Factors are 2x cube y square, this is the factor, and second factor is x square minus 3y. Now let's see the second example, which is 6x cube y z cube minus 9x square y z square plus 18x y square z. First we have to see that how many terms we have. In this question we have 3 terms. So first we have to take the common. The common, first we have to take the common. So first we have to see the coefficient 6, 9 and 18. So we have to take the LCM of 6, 9 and 18 by division method to find the common multiple. So when we divide it by 2, we cannot divide 9 by 2. So we have to see the common multiple. The common multiple is 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 3 6s are 18. So 3 is a common multiple which divides all the number, and remaining factors are 2, 3 and 6. So we take 3, we write solution, and first we write the question as it is: 6x cube y z cube minus 9x square y z square plus 18x y square z. So we take 3 as a common coefficient. Now in first term we have x cube, in second term we have x square, and in last term we have x1. So which x is common? x1 is common. X is common. Now here we have y1, and here we have y square. So y1 is common. Now we have z cube. Here we have z square, and in the last term we have z1. So we take z1 as common. Now we have to write the remaining components of the term. So in first term we take 3 as common. So when we see the factors, remaining factors with 3, we take 3 common. So which is left? 2 is left. So we write 2. We take cube as we take x as common. So how many x are left? X square are left. We take y common, so there is no y, and we take z common. So how many z are left? Z square are left. Now in second term we take 3 as a common, so the remaining factor is 3. So which is remaining? 3 is remaining, so we write 3 over here, and we take x common, so x is remaining. We take y common, so there is no y, and we take z common, so only one z is remaining. Now in the last term we take 3 as a common, so the factor is 6. So we take 6 as a common. So sorry, we write 6, and we have taken x as common, so there is no x. We have taken y common, so only one y is left, and we have taken z common, so there is no z. So these are the factors, 2 factors, which is 3x yz, and second factor is 2x square z square minus 3xz plus 6y. These 2 are the factors of 6x cube yz cube minus 9x square yz square plus 18x y square z. When we multiply both factors, we got this expression again. Now let's take another example. In this example we have AP x minus y plus BC multiplied by x minus y and plus CA multiplied by x minus y. So first we have to see the common, how many terms we have. We have 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3, and now we have to see that which is common in these 3 terms. So here we have AB, and here we have BC, and here we have CA. So there is no common. Yes, there is common x minus y. In second term we have x minus y, and in last term we have x minus y. So this the thing which is common is, first we write solution. First we write question as it is. x minus y plus bc x minus y plus ca x minus y. So which is common? X minus y is common in all these terms. So we take x minus y as common. Now we have to write the remaining components in the terms. In first term we take x minus y as common, so which is left? AB is left. In second expression we take x minus y as common, so which is left? Plus BC is left. And in third one we take x minus y as common, so plus CA is left. So these two are the factors of AB x minus y plus BC x minus y plus CA x minus y. These two are the factors. Now the example number 4 is AB square x plus y minus 3C x plus y. Again we have to see that how many terms we have. We have two terms in this question. We have two terms. So first we have to see that which is common, AB square, and here we have 3C. So in coefficient there is no common, but x plus y, and here we have x plus y. So the common is x plus y. First we write the question as it is. AB square x plus y minus 3C x plus y. So which is common? X plus y is common in both terms. Now after writing the common, we have to write the remaining component of the terms. So in first term AB is remaining, in second one 3C is remaining. So these two are the factors of AB square x plus y minus 3C x plus y. Now question number 5. In this question we have 4 terms, and when we have 4 terms we group the terms to take the common. So first we group first 2 terms and second 2 terms. First we see the common in these terms, and then we see the common in these terms. So first we have solution, and we write question as it is. 8x square plus 6x minus 4x minus 3. So for in first 2 terms which is common, first we have to see the coefficient. Here it's 8 and in this it's 6, so we have to take the LCM of 8 and 6. So which is common multiple of 8 and 6, which is a common? 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So 2 is common, so we take 2 as common. And here we have x square. In second one we have only x, so we take x common. And now the remaining components of the terms are, we take 2 as a common, so remaining factor is 4, so we write 4. Here we have x square, we take x common, so which is left? Only one x is left. Then write plus, we take 2 as common, so which is left? 3 is left, so we write 3, and we take x common, so there is no x is left. So 4x plus 3. Now we have to see the second term, the both terms. Here we have 4 and here we have 3. So which is common? There is no common. There is no common multiple in 4 and 3, and there is no common variable. So we take 1 as a common number. So we take minus 1 as common. And which is remain? 4x is remaining, and in second one which is remain 3, we take 1 common, so 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, so 3 is remaining. And what sign we have to write over here to get minus 3? When we multiply 1 by 3, we have to get minus 3. So what sign we have to write over here? If we write minus, so when we multiply it, 1 3 is a 3, and minus minus plus, we got plus 3. But when we write plus over here, when we multiply it, 3 1s are 3, and minus plus minus, so we got minus 3. So the remaining factor is 4x plus 3. Now we have two terms. The first one is 2x, 4x plus 3, and second one is minus 1, 4x plus 3. Now we have to see that which is common in both terms. So 4x plus 3 is common in both terms, so we write 4x plus 3, and remaining components are, in first term remaining is 2x, and here minus 1 is remaining. So these two are the factors of 8x square plus 6x minus 4x minus 3. Now the last one is AB plus mx, amx minus bx minus mx square. Again we have four terms, so first we have to see the first two terms and then the second two terms. amx minus bx minus mx square. So first we have to see these two terms. In these two terms, which is common? Here we have AB and here we have amx.